If you're thinking about getting the brand new DJI Avata 360, we want to share with you 5 things that we really love about it. So let's get started. Number 5 is the 1-inch sensor, actually dual sensors on the 2 cameras that are built into this. It takes amazing pictures if you have plenty of light outside. It's great for landscapes and stuff. A 1-inch sensor can't be beat. Number 4 is the fact that DJI includes this landing pad with the Avata 360. With 2 cameras, especially when they're facing up and down, it's very important that you don't scratch the lenses, and this landing pad is key, so thank you DJI for including it. Number 3 is the ability for the end user to replace the lenses. If you crack your lens like we did on this one,
Okay.
you'll definitely need to replace it, because with a 360 camera, little cracks, little chips, anything on the lens will show up very clearly and it doesn't look very good. So thank you DJI for making the lenses user replaceable and for selling the lenses at a reasonable cost. The number 2 thing that we really love about the Avata 360 is all the ways you can fly it. You can fly it with all these different controllers, and you can use different goggles, the Goggles 3 and the Goggles N3, to fly it different ways for different people. It's cool to have that versatility. Also, if you already own one of these controllers, you can buy the drone just by itself and you're ready to go. And finally, our absolute favorite thing about the DJI Avata 360 is the ability to reframe shots after the fact. It is amazing what you can do. You can use the same shot multiple times in an infinite number of ways, and that is actually what's the secret sauce and the beauty of the DJI Avata 360. So those are our top 5 favorite things about the DJI Avata 360. Love to hear what you think about it. What's your favorite thing about it? What's your least favorite thing about it? And yes, we have some gripes, so if you want to know our 5 least favorite things, go over to the other video and check those out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.